Another cold weather favorite to keep you nice and warm. We're making meatball subs today. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today, the delicious meatball sub, and it really is great for colder weather. So grab your pen and paper, here come the ingredients. You'll need some sub buns, you'll need some pasta sauce, some melted butter, and some frozen Italian meatballs. Unless you make your own, which is always nice. Preheat your broiler, and here we go. You'll need to slice open your sub buns, so just get a nice serrated knife and slide it open. Last time we made these, my wife said, "Oh, they're going to come apart." Sounded like the old housewife. Anyway, who cares? Just go ahead and let them be apart. There's number 2. Then, get your baster, get your melted butter, and what you want to do is go ahead and baste your sub buns because you want to crisp them up just a little bit so that they'll be hearty and hold things together instead of slumping. Put these under your broiler and let them toast up just a little bit. You don't want them hard as a rock. Meanwhile, as your bread is toasting in the oven, you need to get your meatballs ready. So, get a pan, put your meatballs in, pour in your 2 cans of pasta sauce carefully because you don't want wang. Prep tips. You can always toast your bread way ahead. You can always set this on the stove to warm up way ahead. Not real high because it'll splatter if you hadn't done that before. So we'll come back when this is warm and the toast is done. Let's jump back into this. Now that your toast is done and now that your meatballs are heated up, don't forget to have the cheese. This is mozzarella because it's what we have in the house, but you could certainly use Swiss cheese, which we do most of the time. Now, you'll need 2 pieces of cheese for each bun. Fold it in half and tear it, and lay it along your bun there. See, it's very easy. Now, of course, you can put whatever condiments on here that you want to. I'm just giving you the basic gist of how to make one. Not that you probably don't know how. Put this under the broiler and just melt your cheese. You don't want to go any further than that. You don't want to brown it. Or burn it. Remember, if you don't have much experience using the high broiler, a few seconds can be an eternity for something. So I wouldn't let this go over about 30 seconds without checking it. And a minute might be too late. It just depends on how hot the oven is and how cold your food might be. Alright, a minute 15 was more than enough time, and you just really have to watch it, especially the first time. See? It's melted. Now, you have to move quickly, and here comes the tip. Use a slotted spoon, because you don't want sauce everywhere. Kind of shake it out, put 2 meatballs on there, and of course that's going to happen. It's kind of good that that happened so you could see that that's live. Okay, usually if you get a nice size package of meatballs, or nice size meatballs, 4 is more than enough. Then you grab your bun and quickly put it on there, push it down. Now the trick is the hot cheese will grab a hold of those meatballs and it'll stick on the top and the bottom. So if you've ever done this and had trouble with your meatballs falling out, that's what you do. So now I'm just rushing to do this other one before the cheese cools off. And grab it and push it. Now you might find that doing one at a time is easier for you so you don't get flustered. But this is it. Super easy. Put it together with a salad and a nice dessert, glass of tea or hot chocolate, and you're good to go. By the way, folks, don't throw out your leftover meatballs and sauce, because next week I'm going to show you how to repurpose this so that you can plan for leftovers, and it's not another sandwich. If you like this video for easy meatball subs, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experiences with this idea and what else you'd like to see in the kitchen. Remember, the holidays are coming up. I want the recipes that you love, so tell me in the comments or find my email address in the bottom of the description so you can send it to me. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. Welcome to Help at Home. No way.